In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can get the Eat a Donut filter on Instagram. So once you have loaded up Instagram, you'll be on your homepage. Then you want to go ahead and tap on that little magnifying glass there at the bottom bar. That's going to take you to your explore page, and then you want to tap on the search bar, tap on accounts, and then you want to search for this account right over here. I'm not sure entirely how to pronounce that, so what I'll do is I'll leave this account linked up in the description so you can just go ahead and tap on it. Then all you need to do is tap on their filters there in the middle of the screen with that little filter icon, and then you can see there's the filter Eat a Donut. So you can tap on that, and then you can see what the filter does is basically you eating some donuts, and then you get fatter and fatter. So what you can do is download it by tapping that little download button. That will save it to your Instagram camera so you can reference it later on, or you can tap on the try it now button, and all you need to do is open your mouth like this. And you can see you get fatter and fatter. So what you can do is record your video from here and then use it on Instagram. And if you would like to send it to any other social media, you can download the video and do so. So that is how you get the Eat a Donut filter on Instagram. If this video helped you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more. Take care.